Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another G-Shock video. Today we are taking a closer look at one of the best upgrades that we are getting for a popular G-Shock watch. I've got two variants of the GA-B2100 here, so let's check them out. These are the usual Japan domestic models, hence the different packaging. So as I open them inside, first we get the manual in Japanese language. The module here is 5689, a brand new module. Here is the watch. This is the GA-B2100 1A1JF all black version. This is the price tag that comes along with it. Japan models usually come with a band tag just like the one that you see over here. It says carbon core guard, Bluetooth, and that's pretty much it. Overall, in terms of look and feel, G-Shock somehow managed to keep it very similar to the GA-2100s. We get a similar strap design that all of us are familiar with. In fact, they are probably interchangeable with the GA-2100s. One thing that immediately noticeable is the plastic buckle that we get on the new GA-B2100. If you recall, the GA-2100s came with a metal buckle. On the inside of this buckle, it says China. Looking at the case back of the watch, we get a lot of labels with additional information. These are usually associated with the Bluetooth module within the watch. The watch still comes with carbon core guard. The module code is 5689 and the watch is cased in China. Just like the GA-2100s, we get a quick release mechanism as part of the GA-B2100. Back to the front of the watch. The overall bezel design is similar with all the labels unpainted for the stealthy look and feel. Now this is probably where all these similarities end, and we start to see some changes with the new model. Starting with the new subdial, instead of the day indicator, we have two separate sections. We now have the mode indicators, whereby the subdial hands move according to the mode you are in. Apart from that, quite conveniently, we also get a battery level indicator. Looking at the overall watch face design, the beautiful tough solar panel which covers the entire watch face has got a nice brushed metal pattern to it. This design choice makes the watch feel premium. We also can see the tough solar and Bluetooth labels on the watch face. The small LCD screen now behaves slightly different compared with the standard GA-2100 model. The top portion of the LCD now shows the seconds counting down, which used to be at the bottom part of the LCD. The day and the date information now is shown on the bottom part. We also have different labels around the LCD screens as well. One cool trick that we get with the new watch, we are now able to change the format of the date on the display. We can either choose the month and date or the format of date and month. With the popularity of GA-2100 series all over the world, this is definitely a welcome change. Activating the light will illuminate the LCD and the watch face. Eagle-eyed viewers will definitely notice a much brighter LED lights on this watch. This watch gets a standard mineral glass. However, while doing a side-by-side comparison, I realized GA-B2100 seems to have slightly better anti-reflection. Probably something G-Shock has improved for this watch. Here is how the looms on this watch looks like. Next, let's have a quick look at the yellow variant of this watch. This is one of my favorite colors of the GA-B2100 series. The model code for this watch is GA-B2100C-9AJF. The overall color and design of this watch face stands out more compared with any other variant in the series. We get a bright yellow strap that is matched with a black keeper and a black metal buckle, somewhat different to the other colors in the series. The button labels are painted in black for a nice contrast. The index markers have got off-white greyish color, makes it really easy for you to read the time, and best of all, this watch gets a positive LCD display. The legibility is just superb. The subdials on the watch are color coded to the strap colors. The word Tough Solar and Bluetooth get their own colors as well. All other functions and design elements remain the same. Both of these watches were released for May 2022. In Japan, the all-black variant goes for 22,000 Japanese yen, and that is roughly $170 US. The yellow variant is slightly more expensive at 23,100 Japanese yen, and that is roughly $180 US. Overall, I think we have yet another winner from G-Shock here. G-Shock took their time to release this series simply because they wanted to keep the form factor as close to the original GA-2100 series. After all, the design, the size and the overall look and feel is the main reason for the GA-2100 series' successful run. Job well done by G-Shock for adding new features such as Tough Solar and Bluetooth capabilities without changing the form factor at all. The watch is priced really well as well. Alright guys, that is it for today. I'll be doing a separate video comparing the GA-2100 with the GA-B2100, including testing it out with all the mods that we previously did. Will the Casioaks metal mods fit perfectly to the GA-B2100? We shall find out. Do let me know your thoughts about this new series in the comments. Which one would you be getting? Till next time, stay safe and I'll see ya.